MathMagic, MathMagic, 'cause math is magical. With your host, Math Pirate and the Arithmecat. Ahoy, ye scallywags! You know what time it is. It's time to walk the plank!
Actually, it's time for MathMagic.
Well, somebody's gonna walk the plank at the end of this episode.
So, today, all planks aside, we're talking about inequalities.
Yo.
So, inequalities is just like regular, math problem, except there's no equal sign.
What? Blasphemy.
No, remember you learned about this when you were little.
Oh, yes, in my learnatorium on the bay.
You know, the little alligator wants to eat the bigger number.
That's how I got this hook. I was the biggest number. Chomper ate me. But I wouldn't let him. I wasn't having none of that.
So, but now we're getting a little more complicated. We actually graph those. You have your number line, and you have your numbers, and depending on which way the alligator goes, Chomper, you put a dot and you draw a line.
Big obnoxious dot.
Big obnoxious dot. Just scribble in there. And big obnoxious arrows.
Make everything big and obnoxious is what me ma always used to say. Continue.
If it is greater than, then it's everything greater than.
Yes.
And you gotta draw the line going all the way greater than.
Like if they say the number is greater than 5, then you have to say all the numbers that are greater than 5. So it goes on forever. Forever all the numbers greater than 5.
And that's why it's got to be really big and obnoxious, because you got to know that that's infinity, not just to 10 or whatever.
And you're not putting the dot on the 5 because it says everything greater than 5, and 5 is not greater than 5. 5 is equal to 5. So if we also have a number that says the chomper with the line on it, which is greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, yes, then that is everything that is 5, so 5.
And you put a dot.
Because 5 is equal to 5, a big dot on 5, and everything that is greater than 5, so that line that goes forever.
And of course, if it's less than, then you make it go in the opposite way. But it's still big obnoxious because negative numbers go to infinity too.
Yeah. Don't discriminate against negative numbers, yo.
No.
Now let's get into some language arts. And or. If it says and, 6 and, every number that is greater than 6 and greater than 5 is 6 greater than 6 and greater than 5?
No,
it's not. No. So we can't put it because it's and. It has to be both. But what if I said greater than 6 or greater than 5? Is 6 greater than 6 or greater than 5?
It's greater than 5.
I know, so then we gonna put a dot on that thing. Arithmecat, let's cut a rug.
Chantilly lace and a pretty face and a ponytail hanging down, wiggling the walk and a giggling talk. Make the world round, ain't nothing.
Howdy. Pirates don't say howdy.
Pirates don't say howdy.
Pirates don't say howdy.